for this video, I wanna do yearly makeup empties. So in the start of this year, I said I wanna do a yearly empties for makeup. This is what I'm doing today, and I don't have much. Okay, I've seen couple of yearly makeup empties video, how everyone can go through lipstick so much. Like, I don't know how, but I can't. Like, I don't have much in here. Like, oh my god, I don't know if this is a fail or not, but let's just dive in. Alright, the first thing that I have is this Neutrogena Healthy Skin Pressed Powder. Oh my god, it's so hard to go through powder. It's harder than I thought. Go through powder is fucking hard because I don't really use powder because I have dry skin. I only use powder sometimes to set concealer. When I go out, I never have powder in me. Like, I don't ever touch up, so it's so hard for me to go through powder. So yeah, the next thing that I have is this what is called, this is brow and liner kit. I go through this dark brown. I don't really use much because it's a little bit too red for me. My brow is really black and dark, and when I use something like this, it's so red in me. Like, doesn't look good. It looks fake, and I don't really like that. So yeah, I go through the darker side, so I'm just gonna throw this. The next thing that I have is this Revlon Lash Potion Mascara. I love this, but I will not buy it again because I wanna go cruelty free. So the next thing that I have is Super BB by Skin 79. I use this as a brightener on my under eye. I like this because it's so brightening. I don't really like to use this all over my eye because it's too white, too light for me, kinda ashy, but I like to use this on my under eye as a brightening. Next thing that I have is the Face Shop Collagen Eyeliner. I love this, but the brush is so big. It's hard to do precise lines, so I don't think I will buy it because it's not cruelty free as well. Okay, the next thing that I have is this Revlon eyeliner. This one, I like this so much. I think this is my favorite eyeliner on my tight line and waterline, but it's not cruelty free, so I'm trying not to buy it again. Okay, the next thing is I have this lip liner by the Body Shop. This is, I don't know what shade it is. Yeah, I've go through this. I like this. I don't know what to say about this lip liner because it's great. And yeah, the next thing that I have is this Too Much Concealer. Finally go through something like concealer. I'm so proud of myself because I've go through this concealer and I love this so much, but it's not cruelty free, so I'm trying not to buy it again. But this is great concealer. The formula is so great. Okay, the last one is this mascara by Stila Stay All Day Mascara. This is the greatest mascara I've ever tried. I think this is the best mascara ever. It makes your lashes look like fake lashes basically, and it is cruelty free, and I think I wanna buy it again. So yeah, so that is it. I'm so sorry for this short video, but I don't have much makeup empties, so let's hope next year I have so much more makeup empties. So yeah, I hope this is motivate you to go through your makeup instead of buying and not using it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe me. I make video 1 or 2 times a week. Bye guys, see you next video. It's you.